In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy databases in Notion. This is really useful if you've already built a table or database that you like, and you want to reuse the same structure somewhere else without rebuilding it from scratch. Maybe you've set up a great task tracker, a content calendar, or a CRM, and now you need another version for a new project. Instead of manually recreating all the properties and layouts, you can just duplicate the database in a couple of clicks. First, open the Notion page that contains the database you want to copy. This can be a full-page database or an inline database that sits inside a regular page. Make sure you're in edit mode and that you have permission to make changes to this page, because duplicating won't work if the page is locked or you're only a viewer. Now, move your mouse to the top left corner of the database. You're looking for the set of 6 dots that appears there. It usually shows up as a small handle when you hover over the database title or the top edge of the table. These 6 dots are essentially the control handle for that entire database block. Hover over that area until the 6 dot icon becomes visible, then click on it. When you do, Notion will open a small menu with several options related to that database. This is the same menu you might use to move, turn into, or delete a block, but for databases it also gives you options that affect the whole table. In that menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click Duplicate. As soon as you click it, Notion will create an exact copy of your database, usually directly below the original. This copy includes the same properties, views, filters, and groupings. Depending on your setup, it may also include the existing rows or pages, so take a moment to check what was copied. From here, you can rename the duplicated database to avoid confusion. Just click on the database title and type in the new name. You can then adjust the properties, change filters, or clear out any sample data